In this video, we will take you through the standard reports available in our system. Let's head to the accounting application where you will find a variety of standard reports under the reporting option. Let's start with the balance sheet. Here's the balance sheet. You can filter it by different accounting periods, such as the end of the last financial year, or today, or you can define a custom date. You also have the option to compare this balance sheet with other accounting periods, and select how many periods you want the comparison to be. The balance sheet can also be grouped by analytical accounts, and you can view unposted entries by selecting the Include Unposted Entries option. By default, it shows only the posted entries. It is notable that all these filters will be available for all the reports we have. Next, we have the profit and loss report. After that, let's move on to the cash flow statement. Let's view the cash flow statement for this month. Currently, there is no cash transaction, so it is not showing any cash amounts here. The cash flow statement can be filtered by different periods, or customized to show a specific period. Then we have the executive summary, which provides a summary of each report, including cash, profitability, balance sheet, performance, and position. You can also customize the executive summary to add any other reports and ratios that you might require. Moving on to the tax report. It shows the amount of tax and provides an audit trail to help you understand the calculation. Next, we have the general ledger report, which displays all accounts in the system. You can expand them. You can also go further into the details, like you can view the journal entry from here directly. And we can expand it to see all at once. Then we have the trial balance report. You can view the general ledger or journal items from this report. It also has similar filters available. For instance, we can choose to see this report for a specific time period, or we can define a custom period as well. Next, we have the journal report. It shows reports for each journal along with the taxes. Let's move to another report, which is the partner ledger. It is essentially the customer or vendor ledger report. Here we have the option to include the accounts we want in this report. As I selected payables, so now it has become a payable ledger report. This report displays all bills created and their balances or the amount to be paid to the vendor. Next, we have the aged receivable. And after that, we have aged payable report, which shows the aged invoices of vendors. Then we have the invoice analysis report. Currently, there is no invoice in the system such as the customer invoice. That's why it is not showing any detail. Next, we have the depreciation schedule, which displays the depreciation schedule for any assets you may have. Then we have the budget analysis report. It displays the budgets you have defined within the system. Moving on to the product margins report, which shows the product margins for a specific period. Similar reports are also available in the Purchase app, where you can view analysis for purchases in different views, including this pivot table view, which is also called a BI report. This table allows you to generate your own report. For example, here we want to see the product, and on the top, we want to see the supplier. You can also select the measures you want to view. For instance, we don't want to see the order, the total, the untaxed total, and the count. Rather, we want to only see the quantity ordered, quantity billed, and quantity received. So you can easily customize the table as required. You can further expand the rows and columns of this pivot table. Let's say I want to see what the order reference is. As you can see, the system now shows values against different PO numbers. Finally, we have the inventory reports. It has the stock report, to show if we are storing any inventory items. Then it has the moves history report, which displays where inventory items were received and moved, along with their references. Then it has the performance report where we can see our performance. So, right now the system is showing the done deliveries, as we have this filter applied here. You can view it in different display modes, such as bar chart, pie chart, or pivot table, where we can see the receipts and all that. You can customize this table as you require using the measures option. For example, let's add the product quantity to this pivot table. And we can expand these rows further to show the product as well or the product category. These are all the standard reports available in our system. We hope this video helps you understand them better. Thanks for watching.